Hi, my name is Schultheis, and I am a part of the Piano Pedagogy program at California State University, Northridge. This video is intended to create a video. This Piano Pedagogy class, our goal was to create a video that would introduce teachers and students of the piano to intermediate level piano repertoire that is lesser known, but that is suitable for students that are at an intermediate to early advanced level in their piano studies. But the goal was to find lesser known repertoire and introduce teachers and students to that repertoire and to give them a sense of what that repertoire might be. So for that reason, I've chosen to play for you today a piece by the English composer Benjamin Britten. Benjamin Britten was an English composer who was born in 1913 and died in 1976. He is most famous for his larger scale musical works, for his operas and oratorios, for theatrical music, and also for his religious music. For example, his requiems and masses and that sort of thing, and also many larger scale piano works. However, in addition to these larger scale musical works, he did write many shorter, more intimate sort of vignettes, shorter piano pieces that really make excellent choices for the intermediate level student of the piano. And the piece that I have chosen is one of his waltzes, and this is from a collection of waltzes called the 5 Waltzes of Opus 3, and you can see that here, and it's published by Faber. And these were written at a relatively early point in Benjamin Britten's career. And I'm going to play for you the 4th waltz of the set. Again, there are 5 waltzes of Opus 3. I'm going to play the 4th waltz. And the waltz is particularly interesting for 2 reasons, and it makes a good study piece for 2 reasons. First of all, the waltz is in ternary form, so it has 2 contrasting sections, an A section and a B section. And the A section, the opening section, again, the 2 sections are contrasting. The opening section makes a good study for piano students because it has many complex rhythmic features. So it makes a good study for the playing of rhythms accurately. In other words, it has 16th notes followed by triplets, and that's all set to a waltz tempo, which is 3/4 time. So it has a waltz tempo, but then it forces the student to play 16th notes and to play them accurately and to have a good sense of rhythm. So it's a very good piece for advancing students to teach them a really good sense of rhythm. The other reason the piece, I think, makes a good study is that the 2 sections in the overall piece have a contrast of tempo. In other words, the opening section, and you'll hear this when I play the piece, the opening section is a rather fast, not that fast, but sort of at a brisk tempo. And then the middle section, the contrasting section, is at a much slower tempo. And the composer actually writes metronome markings, so it'd be a good opportunity for the student to practice with the metronome. Of course, he'd have to adjust the metronome in the middle of the piece. But the metronome marking for the first section is the quarter note equals 132. For the second section, it's that the quarter note is more like 70-something. So the second section is definitely slower, and so overall the piece provides a good opportunity for the student to learn how to adjust tempo within a given piece, to have a good. So again, overall the reason this is a good piece is first, it teaches a student to play rhythms properly, and second, it gives a student a good sense of tempo and how to change tempo if necessary within a piece. So now I'm going to play the piece for you. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you teachers or the students out there have a chance to play it, and the teachers have a chance to teach it. Okay, here's the piece.
you.